Are you somebody who wears a tie? When you tie that tie, does it often come a little short, maybe on your chest? Well, guess what? That's incorrect. You shouldn't be wearing that out in public. It's a little bit embarrassing. The tie should naturally come to rest at your belt line. Guess what? If it's coming too short on your body, you're doing it wrong. Let me show you how to fix that right now. All right, so let me show you this trick to get your tie sitting and resting at your belt line each time. This works with 4-in-hand knot, Windsor knot, pretty popular knots that people tie. When you have the tie draped over your shoulders like this, you want to count out 4 to 5 buttons on your dress shirt. It's going to be practice, trial and error, but normally when I tie it, I count out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can either put my smaller end there on the 5th or somewhere in between. Every time I tie it, guess what? It's going to rest on my belt line. Let me show you right now. Very quick Windsor knot. And just so I'm not making this up, let me lower this. It's coming to rest right on my belt line. Look at that. Go try out that trick right now. It's going to save you a lot of embarrassment, but it's also going to make you look 10 times better.